I have this JavaScript code here and I'm going to show you two methods to run this without installing Node. So the first thing you need to know is JavaScript is run by most of the browsers. So what you can do is you can first of all create an HTML file, include this JavaScript file in HTML and then run it. But if that seems like too much for you to do, we can just use an extension and I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. But first, let's just run this using a browser. So what you can do is let's create a new file. I'll just call it test.html. Now it's just going to take a second because if you write HTML here, if you type H here, you will see this HTML sample. Just click on this and this will be automatically populated. You don't need all this stuff. But if you don't want to remove it, you can just keep it too. Does not matter. Just include your JavaScript file here. In my case, it's test.js, right? So I'll write test.js. Now we're just creating this HTML file so that we can open this in a browser and this test.js will be run. So it will say hello and then my name because this is what we're calling right now. But before that, it will print JavaScript is running. So let's run this in a browser. If your HTML file is not set to run in the browser, you can just right click on it and click on open with and then just choose your browser. So I'll just choose Microsoft Edge and here we are. Now you can just right click and click on inspect, click on console, and here you can see JavaScript is being executed. Now you can reload this and JavaScript will be executed again. Now you can go back to Visual Studio Code or wherever you are editing, make some changes here as you want. Let's say you write some code, right? And you print sum of A and B is this. To run this again, just go back to your browser, reload it, and this time as you can see the code is printed again. Now if you don't want to do this, if this is too much hassle for you, just go to extensions and search for code runner. You will see this code runner by Jun Han. Just click on install, and once this is installed, just close this, go back to your explorer. You can delete the test.html and now you can directly run your test.js. So how do you do that? Double click on test.js and you will see this run button here. Click on this and here as you can see JavaScript is run. So these are the top two methods of running JavaScript without Node.js. You can either run it in your browser or to run it inside of Visual Studio Code, just install this Code Runner extension. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.